SWOT analysis, Air Arabia Company and IKEA. SWOT analysis. This is the abbreviation that stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is a tool used to determine the core areas of competencies in a business organization at a given time. It is used in the process of auditing the market situation, hence helping in identifying key issues that require attention. SWOT is one of the fast analytical approaches that reveal various issues that need an intelligent approach. It involves scrutinizing the marketing structures surrounding the organization. Valentine said that the SWOT analysis involves searching for insights into ways of realizing the desired solutions. The SWOT analysis is undoubtedly a valuable tool in business strategy because it allows decision makers to consider important aspects of their organization's environment and helps them organize their thoughts. The main objective of SWOT analysis is to help identify the internal and external factors that are core to a company's performance. The internal factors are the strengths and weaknesses, while the external factors are the opportunities and threats from the external environment. Internal factors focus on the organization itself, the employees, capital structure, assets, how the market is organized, core competencies, product lines, and what the company manufactures and is capable of doing. External factors, on the other hand, comprise both direct and indirect forces. The direct forces are the competitors, suppliers, and clients, while the indirect forces comprise the economic, social, and political factors. Introduction. Air Arabia was set up in 2003 and is one of the airline companies operating from Sharjah Airport in Saudi Arabia. It has 9 planes that fly to different destinations across the Middle East, South and Central Asia, and some parts of Africa. It is one of the low-cost carriers that offer only economy travel cabins. The company recorded a revenue growth of 27.4% between 2007 and 2010, which produced a net income of 22.8%. The company has extended its operations to meet local needs by distributing tickets through its sales shops alongside currency exchange bureaus. Strengths. The airline boasts some key strengths that are rare with most companies. Its management structure is not that big and comprises an experienced team. It has a well-established tie with the base where it operates, Sharjah Airport. The airport is located close to Dubai, which is a good business center. The company enjoys a first-mover advantage because of its low cost and, hence, faces low competition. They offer low-cost online bookings and no-frills services. The low prices are what make clients from different sectors use Arab Air. They also offer complementary services such as air cargo services. Opportunities. The company enjoys opportunities to extend its Sharjah hub by purchasing new aircraft. It also plans to develop some operations that support the airline, like a hangar for maintenance and a hotel to accommodate clients. The rapid economic and population growth offers a good customer base in air travel. There is also tremendous growth in the tourism sector, which is a further boost to air travel. Weaknesses. Arab Air has a low number of aircraft that do not fully satisfy the huge customer base it commands. It is currently operating on 9 aircraft but has since planned to increase the number to 34 by the year 2015. This puts the company in a low situation when it comes to dynamic response. The company still depends on short-haul routes and uses a single type of aircraft, Airbus A320. This means that any small interference to its operations could adversely affect its income. This is contrary to other airlines that offer multiple aircraft types with classes of travel of the passenger's choice. The airline still does not own any ground handling service, but as of now, it plans to enter into a joint venture with Sharjah Airport Authority to improve these services. Threats. The company faces some threats that it must contend with. One of them is more rapid development, which is expected in the market sector and has not been utilized for quite a long time. This comes as a result of the expected higher economic growth. There is also a global economic downturn that might affect its operations due to an increase in fuel prices. The company faces very stiff competition from other airlines. The delivery of the airplanes it hopes to acquire might be delayed, not to mention the challenge it might get during the rollout of the company's brand. The Middle East records the lowest rates of e-ticket usage despite the region being at the forefront of air travel growth. This presents Air Arabia with some instances of low potential in travel. Similarities. Both companies plan to use the website to improve their services. IKEA is building online help to guide customers on how to maintain a more sustainable life. Their program offers customers tips and ideas through the website on how to reduce their effects on the surroundings. Arab Airlines, on the other hand, plans to improve its e-ticket sales to customers. This will offer the customers cheaper means since they will not need to travel long distances to obtain air tickets or make hotel reservations. Both companies offer low prices for their services and products. This helps them counter the wave of other competitors who still value the high pricing of products and services in the market. The low prices attract most customers, especially during difficult financial times. To improve its performance, IKEA has established a good brand name that is recognized globally. This has helped maintain the strong growth it requires to have a strong market identity amongst the clients. Air Arabia, the first low-cost air company in the Middle East, utilized this opportunity to create a strong brand name that secured its favor amongst travelers in the market. Differences. Air Arabia is partnering with other companies to strengthen its acquisition of essential assets, such as the ground handling venture, which is a partnership between Air Arabia and the Sharjah Airport Authority. Regarding catering services, it plans to partner with Alpha Overseas Holdings. IKEA, on the other hand, despite being a home furnishing retailer, supplements its income through its constituent stores, which are restaurants, cafes, and food shops.